Hello, everybody. My name is Sarah Hannon, and I'm the Communications Director at the YMCA in Greenfield. We're happy to welcome our members back to the Y after many months of being apart. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to register your YMCA account on our website. By having an online account, you will be able to check and update your YMCA account information, as well as reserve your space in our rooms and classes going forward. First, what you're going to do is head to www.your-y.org. On the home page, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, there's this login button. We're going to select that, and it brings us to this page. On the left-hand side, if you're an online user that you've already been logged into, this is where you will log in. If you're a member and you haven't used our online system before, this is where you will go, in the center. If you've never been a member and you want to create an account, unfortunately, at this time, you will not be able to. So let's start our account. You're going to select this section, and you're going to be prompted to enter your member ID, barcode, or last name. Easiest thing to do would be your last name. And you will put in your date of birth, and hopefully this will work. We get this prompt for all the stairs. What comes up next is, in the system, we have an email address connected to your account. At this point, if this matches what your email address would be, you hit send me a link. Oh, we have to fill it in. And this is just verifying that we have an account. Message has been sent. Now we will go to our email, and this automatically is sent to us, and we will now reset our password. We will select a password. We know it's very weak, it's okay. And our password has now been reset. So now we will log in. With our email. And our new password. Oh, chimneys. I think that's it. And now we are logged in. Once here, we will see it has our first name and our last name, YMCA member, our membership type, and all of the information that we have in our system. Next time, I will show you how to register for a class. Thank you.